Welcome to 30 Days to a Bigger You. Today we talk about metabolism. Not the mysterious black box everyone blames, but 3 measurable forces that determine how many calories you burn every single day without stepping on a treadmill. Understanding them is the difference between a type that is fast and a type that is undereating. Here is the hook: that friend who eats a large pizza and stays lean is almost certainly running a higher non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT, than you. They do not have magic genetics. They just fidget, pace, gesture, and move unconsciously more than the average person. Knowing the mechanism gives you the power to replicate it. Funny moment, you know that person who says, "I have a slow metabolism," while ordering a grande frappuccino? They are not wrong about their metabolism, they are wrong about the calorie count. The problem is that slow metabolism has become the default excuse for not gaining weight when the real culprit is chronic undereating. Many hard gainers genuinely believe they eat 3 large meals a day while actually consuming only 1,800 calories because off snacks and liquid calories. According to the Obesity Medicine Association Clinical Guide from 2025, NEAT is responsible for 15 to 50% of total daily energy expenditure and varies more between individuals than almost any other component. The thermic effect of food burns about 10% of calories during digestion, and your basal metabolic rate acts as the organ function baseline. None of these systems are mysterious, but they are not evenly distributed among the population. 350 calories per day of NEAT difference separates naturally lean individuals from heavier ones. Over a week, that is 2,450 calories, enough to be a full pound of fat. Over a year, it is massive. You cannot fully control NEAT, but standing, pacing, and fidgeting deliberately can close a significant portion of that gap. Step 1. Calculate your basal metabolic rate using the Mifflin-STG formula, which is the current gold standard. Step 2. Add 10-minute walks after each meal to boost postprandial glucose handling and build your own NEAT deliberately. Step 3. Track everything you eat and drink for 3 consecutive days using an app. Most people are shocked at how far their honest estimate is from reality. The myth is that fast metabolism is purely genetic and unchangeable, and that a slow metabolism causes failure to gain weight. The truth is more empowering. Your basal metabolic rate is heavily modifiable through muscle mass, and NEAT is the largest controllable variable. Most hard gainers who blame their metabolism are actually undereating by 500 to 1,000 calories every single day without realizing it. Today we learned that metabolism has 3 measurable components, that NEAT alone can create a 350 calorie daily gap between individuals, and that most hard gainers simply undereat without realizing it. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 5, we nail down exactly how large your surplus should be and why going too big is counterproductive.